Life is a mission. Life is a mission, family. What's up? What's up? Robert Nesta Marley birthday, people. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You understand? Anyway, my people, you don't know. It's another day in the kitchen. And guess what, people? Today, I'm going to look out for some garlic shrimp and fried rice. Let me say I look out for today. Garlic shrimp and fried rice. So just stay tuned for that. Do the do. When you know the do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Alright? So stay tuned. We are going to the kitchen. You already got the whole there, sir? Tell the people them. Hello. Bear. Hello. Give me a hand. Come. Me not put nothing in your mouth, man. Bear. Tell the people them hello. Hello. Hi. Yes, my people, so we're in the kitchen here now. So, I don't know what I say me I cook. Garlic shrimp and fried rice. Alright, as you know, I always season up my shrimp from early or my meat on a whole pan from early. You understand? Like Shirley. So, shrimp already seasoned up, and as you know, these are not raw shrimp. These are actually cooked shrimp. So you know it not take no time. Fried rice not take no time neither. From the rice steam, I eat that. So you know, so this is like a quick meal. You understand? Yes, man. As well, night nurse and a few others would say, what? How it go? Quick cook. Oh, look at all the terms I want to use. But this is a quick meal. Alright, over here, I have a little piece of onion, pepper. Here's the main thing, the garlic and the butter. And I have a little piece of thyme and scallion. Alright, so I'm going to get the seasoning prepared now. But before I get the seasoning prepared, I'm going to wash the rice and put on the rice. Since the rice is the thing is going to take the longest, because I'm going to make the rice steam. After the rice steam, you don't know me turn it now into the fried rice. So all of you people out there, all of you ladies out there who don't know how to cook fried rice, stay tuned. All of you who think you just throw the raw rice in the oil and stir it up and say fried rice, no, that's not how it goes. So stick and tune and you will see how you cook fried rice. Okay? Remember, you have to steam the rice first. It's not the raw rice you throw in the oil. Alright? Life is a mission, people. I'm going to do the dough. I'm going to get myself ready to cut up the seasoning. Alright? Yeah, my people. So see it there. Rice up on fire. Yeah, man. Alright. So we're going to take you over here so now. Where? See, there we have the turn on the light. Yeah. We have the onion here. Everything washed and ready. Garlic I got cut up now. Thyme, pepper and scallion, and we have a butter. So we're gonna just stay tuned and do the do while we do. While me I do me do, uno do. Alright? Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. And remember, continue to support the channel, both channel. And remember the link of the Young Entrepreneur College Student YouTube channel is in my comment section. Life with Gabby and Chevy. Give her a subscription. And do remember also the Ketchup pin in the comment section. $. Life is a Mission TV. You ask for it, you get it. What you give me with is what is going to help to enhance this channel adventure part of the channel. And as you know, I give back at the end of the month from what you give me with. Whether you give me or not, I still give back from my pocket. It's just that if you come and you give me because you like what me I do or whatsoever upon both channels, when you give me, it would only help me to probably, based on how the gift is, to help probably 2 or 3 somebody instead of 1. Alright? So that's what the gift is for. I not run a charity. You don't have to give me. But if you don't see the necessary and you don't need to say, but alright, yeah man, I like him, give me a laugh, man, I buy him a drink. Yes, that's what it's going to do. Give back to the needy. Alright, whether an elderly person, somebody who fall on hard times, or probably a student who can hardly find lunch money if you go to school. You understand? But remember, it's the needy, not the greedy. So stay tuned. I cut up the seasoning now and the garlic, get it fine and ready. Rice step on the pot as on the see. In the pot on the stove as on the see. Alright? Well my people, I almost done cut up the garlic. Forgot for sure no. Oh the chef I move fast in the kitchen. You know? I almost done cut up the garlic my people. You know? You want to get the garlic as small as possible, people. Yeah. You want to cut it as small as possible, so. We could have blended the garlic, but that's not the proper way. You know, because you want, when you eat, at least you can bite on a little piece of garlic too. You understand? You blend it out, it becomes liquid. And it now go really the way you want it. And that will be the shortened way, so you go the authentic way. You know? Yeah, man, you go the authentic way. Remember what we say we are cook? Alright, I want to hope you remember. Garlic butter shrimp. Or shrimp butter garlic. Any way you want to put it. Garlic butter shrimp. Rice up on the fire, steam. Don't prepare this in people. You don't know how one going on. So basically when we don't prepare this on the rice and this ready, the rice will still not steam there. So we get fed. You know? Alright. Pepper this now people. I put up some pepper. It's not a pepper lover, so as you see, this is the pepper from the other day. The leftover of this pepper. I eat this. They will like smell pepper much less. But you don't know. So that is that. Cut up the scallion small too. Cause remember, you know, and pork and beef and chicken we are cook, so you have to get these things small as possible. So this is the scallion. If you could have shed the leaf them and fight, it would have good much better. But since it's not fresh time, because I buy this time sometime last weekend and it is in the fridge, so basically you know it's not fresh time, where you can easily shred it. Although the drier the time is it's easier to shed still. Alright. Here we go. Onion. So stay tuned with me people. You understand? Yes. Alright my people. See it there? Pepper, this yellow thing. Onion, scallion, thyme, and garlic. Garlic butter shrimp. Alright? See the shrimp over here? Alright. So we'll get to the meat of the matter now. Yes man. Pot that on fire. See pot there. So we're gonna put in our butter now. Guys, not oil we're going to use people. Butter we are going to use. So watch what I'm going on now. So get ready for the preparation of the garlic shrimp preparing. Turn on the stove a little bit low. Alright. As you see, I'm not using the regular cooking butter because it's a little bit salty. So what I do, I use a chiffon, which is a less salty butter. Alright, not saying not being salty, but it's less salty. So So, let I show you. I have the butter melting. Yeah. I'm going to turn up the stove a little bit more. So, I can have it going faster. Rice has steam out now, people. You just turn on the stove on the rice. Yeah. So, waiting on the butter to melt properly. Just waiting on the butter to melt, my people. Yeah, waiting on the butter to melt. Alright. Now the butter melt, my people. I'm going to dish my scallion, onion, pepper, thyme, and my garlic. Everything one time. You don't have to separate the garlic. You just put everything one time. Yeah. Everything one time. Yes. And you stir out your garlic and your seasoning. Yeah. I'll make you have a look at it. So that's how it look in the pot. Yeah. Alright, so that's the garlic, the onion, scallion, and thyme, and pepper. Alright, so now just go and continue to, because we don't want it burn. So we just continue to stir to get the flavor out of the garlic into the butter, while the seasoning are stir frying at the same time. So we want the garlic from the flavor from the garlic in the butter. So you just want to stir on the low flame, because you don't burn it up, you don't want to burn it up. Alright? So continue to stir while we get out the flavor from the garlic. So when you put in the shrimp in another second, you will all see that. So time for the shrimp to go in the pot now, people. I normally see me take off the tip of the shrimp, but in this case, no, I'm not taking it out. Alright? So you stir this up now. Yeah. Get the garlic and the shrimp and the butter to mix up with the seasoning. Yeah, man. And allow this to simmer for probably another 5 minutes or less than 10 minutes, because you want to give the seasoning enough time. That's the herbal seasoning that they use, like the Maggi and stuff. You want to give it a little time to properly, cook out with the heat. So we are just going to leave this now to simmer for a while and get the shrimp also tenderize a little bit more, since it is coming from the fridge also. So turn on the stove very low. Right? And then you can tip a little Not much water, as well as I can just tip a little bit of, you know, ketchup to it, just a little bit, with a little water to give it a little body. So just stay tuned for the final product of the garlic shrimp. I'm going to prepare the pot now, cut up the scallion and stuff for the fried rice. So stay tuned. So in my case, people, I don't add any ketchup to it, you know. I was just recommending based on the amount you're going to cook, and you might want that little gravy to eat, because if you're going to just eat the shrimp with like sandwich and not like rice, you don't need to add any water or any ketchup to it. But true, I'm going to share it with the fried rice. I just want a little gravy with it. But I still don't put any ketchup in my own, because I think I have it where exactly I want it. Yes man, see it there? So nice it is. Damn. Garlic butter shrimp, people. So I'm gonna prepare the pot now for the fried rice, because I think the rice actually steamed. So stay tuned. Alright people. I'm gonna use butter again. Not using any cooking oil today. And if you not see the pot. Alright. So I'm gonna use some butter again. Just a little bit of butter to grease the pot. So we can put in the rice. Not much butter. Over here, the garlic shrimp already finished. So fried rice now. You know say that not take no time. You know say rice cook already. So watch the procedure, the people them and the females and males. Me not like doing, you know. When me younger, you know, people, I did also think of some fried rice go. Then just take the raw rice and fry it in the pot. And when me grow up, you know, reach about 13, 14. Yeah, this is a scallion, people. Yeah. When we reach about 13, 14, and then we did have this major China restaurant against my mother workplace. Then time my mother work at Central Police Station. You have a China restaurant right at the corner at East Street, that's up across from Central. That's what we used to go by with chai pan, with chow mein, with this, with that, with taranat, with fried rice, yeah man. So me kind of used to eating this type of Chinese food from day one, but I was always saying I fried rice. Yes, the raw rice, but I don't saw it go. Anyway people, I'm going to transfer the rice now from this pot, because I take the pot a little closer into this pot now. So I'm transferring the rice, as you can see. Make us see if you can see. I carry the camera down a little bit more, but I think you can see. Yeah, I'm transferring the rice. Transferring the rice, people. So transferring the rice from the pot we're cooking to the pot where we prepare the fried part of it. Where you know you have your little sauce, you know, and you pep it up with a little seasoning normally. I like my fried rice with egg, but I choose not to use the egg in this fried rice because I don't want to change the whole complexity of the garlic shrimp. Yeah, I don't want to change the taste of the garlic shrimp. So I choose not to use the egg in this one. But I like my fried rice with the egg. Yeah man, I like my fried rice with my egg, people. I don't know about uno. Although people will not eat things like that now, but eat it that way then. But you know, that's how it goes, alright? So I stir now my people. So I mix up the little butter and I use the greasy pot with the rice, because you don't want it to really taste too much butter one place. And after I do that now, I'm going to get my sauce. One of the best, you have to be careful with it. See it here? Now again a free promotion, but I said that something you have to work for you want. Probably they might see this someday and come on board. Eve browning, just like I'm telling you about the better pot curry is the best. This browning, God, rich and ready. You have to be careful in how you use this browning. If you will spoil your meat or whatever you use it for. So, take a little cark full. And then I take another little tip. Alright. See where it goes from here. Here rice are fried. Yeah. And a bun it a bun up people. Fry it a fry. Alright, press my cark here for a minute. Hold my pot there so now. Stir in my browning. See as the heat start touch it people. Cheese and peas. You can't watch it for cark where you throw in there. You have to throw it in, rub it in and see how it come before you throw in the more. Now watch how when you throw a little cark, when you throw a little cark it's rich and thick. But you see as soon as the heat start touch it, yeah man. When you pour some more, just pour it a little more. So I'm going to tip a little more in it and you can't throw it from the back because you don't want to make no mistake. So you have to go dash it up the rice there. So I tip a little bit more. Alright, so I'm going to stir in this and when I come back, I'm going to see where it's going. Alright, so my people, there you have the fried rice. And now I'm telling you something people, I'm introducing you to the Eve, but remember, look over there, yeah, got the garlic butter shrimp. Alright, I'm introducing you to the Eve, but I'm telling you this my people, you see the Eve, just come out of the kitchen a little bit, are getting hot. You see the Eve, my people, as I say, don't run no risk with it, it is so strong. When you know say me is a man, as you see me I cook most time, I just empty up, I not measure. But that's something that I not run no risk with. I do it one time already, and I tell you, it knocked me off my feet, and I decide that I got to know what I do. So you see, when time you're using that Eve, people, you have to measure it. So if you cook some fried rice, as me I do, you just tip a little, based on the amount of rice, you just tip a little, stir up, and if you not catch the color where you want, you tip another little, you continue tip, little till it catch the color what you want. Some people want them fried rice to be brown. Some want them fried rice to have like the look we have, where you see that little brown, whitish look there. Yes. You understand? It's either that way or a little bit browner, but I don't like it brown. Because when you use brown, you have to use too much sauce and you don't want to eat and not taste the sauce. But be careful when you not use it. Alright? Anyway, stay tuned for anything I plate. I'm going to taste and I'm going to see what I want. You're not going to see me eat the full thing because you don't know time catch up on me. I'm going to like upload this video. Alright? Garlic, butter shrimp and fried rice. So yes, my people, there you have it. Yeah man. Garlic, butter shrimp. Yeah man. See it there people. Yeah. That's how we do it. One life is a mission, you know. When you come to the kitchen, we don't play man. Create all our own thing. Which you know this is not really nothing creative, but you don't know. We are showing you so we can do it. Some man can't even cook a tin of mackerel. Much as to do something like this, kind of know the first procedure. Even with the fried rice, when I say some people feel like say you just fry the raw rice. So when you know what to do my people, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Remember continue to support both channels. And remember the link of Life with Gabby and Chevy YouTube channel, the link in my comment section. Give them a subscription, please and thanks. And remember, the Ketchup also pin. Life is a mission. $ Life is a mission TV. Alright? Bless upon yourself. Garlic butter shrimp. Yeah man. Look on it man. Yummy. We can't wait for you to come down and pick some of them dishes here. On the riverside. hillside, seaside, you know. Cook up some of them things and vlog them out for you. Can go back home, go watch it. Bless up on yourself. Thanks for watching again. Come to the end of another video.